How to use Blockfi. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Blockfi. Now I'll just be showing you straight ways on how you can buy and sell or withdraw on Blockfi. Now I'll just be guiding you through since I'm unable to show you right here on the video. But how you can do so? Well, if you open up the Blockfi app, you can easily sign into Blockfi on either the application or through the website. Once you are there, you can simply open up the Blockfi application and you should get an interface somewhat like this. Now you can tap on the dashboard option at the top right corner and then you'll be able to see the option that says withdraw. You can simply tap on the withdraw and you can use it and select the asset that you wish to withdraw and withdraw it to another platform that you are willing to. Now if you wish to buy assets here, then you can see their markets option, and below you can see various assets there: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin and such. You can simply tap on the particular asset there and then you can make a purchase if you have linked your account and verified your account, that is. So make sure to verify your account before trying to make any transactions on it. First thing first, and now there is the thing that is the Blockfi interest account as well. Unfortunately, you won't be able to make any withdrawal from Blockfi interest account. You'll have to be aware of that and be aware of all the scam emails that will be getting for withdrawal from interest account. You won't be able to make any withdrawal from your Blockfi interest account, but you'll be able to make withdrawal from your Blockfi wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.